Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris and today we are talking about a very interesting project with a lot going on. But before we get into it, just gotta remind you guys, I am not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. I am simply a geek on the internet who likes to bring you different videos ranging from entertainment to, updates in the Web3 crypto universe, sometimes chair reviews, sometimes just looking into different products. But today we are going to be looking at Neurochain. So we're actually going to be looking at what they do and trying to give you a little bit of background information on what it is that they are bringing to the table. But starting off, let's look at what Neurochain AI is. So Neurochain AI is an advanced decentralized AI as a service ecosystem revolutionizing how businesses and communities interact with artificial intelligence. Neurochain AI is pioneering the decentralized AI compute market with consumer-grade hardware depend to power the future of the $1.8 trillion AI-driven digital world. Its innovation in AI model quantization paired with consumer-grade hardware, DePIN enables unparalleled scalability and cost efficiency for businesses and developers to enter the AI revolution. This is especially important concerning dApps. Initiated at the end of 2022 by an infrastructure engineer and a PhD in AI as a solution to their own challenges, Neurochain AI combines key components required to efficiently build, deploy, and operate AI solutions from a single platform. Under a HUD, Neurochain AI is Layer 1 NCN chain and Layer 3 NCN AI. Under a HUD, Neurochain AI connects Layer 1 NCN chain with the AI Layer 3, GPU DePIN layer for AI compute, community powered data collection and validation layer, and dApp layer including AI model marketplace, AI dApp store, and interoperability tools. And you can certainly get into the every little aspect that they do. Key Neurochain AI features include decentralization, physical infrastructure network, decentralized AI as a service, pre-trained and custom AI models where businesses can choose from a wide range of pre-trained models or request custom AI model training and hosting services tailored to their specific needs. It's community driven, gamification and entertainment. So, a lot of key, features that they have. Let's go ahead and take a look at what their vision is. Their overall vision for Neurochain AI is transforming AI through decentralization protocols that promotes diversity, inclusivity, and fair compensation, leveraging blockchain for transparency, making AI accessible for all. So their goal is to bring AI to everyone while integrating, Web 2 and Web 3 applications with advanced, gRPC and HTTP messaging protocols, as it says there. Their commitment extends to empowering a decentralized network of miners and AI validators driven by proof of work through proof of stake. Consensus and fueled by a robust community-driven open source technology. They're setting a new standard in AI implementation, making it more efficient, accessible, and collaborative for everyone involved. And they, this is their thoughts on the biggest problems in AI. While AI has been seen unprecedented growth since the launch of ChatGPT-3, a myriad of complexities are preventing AI from becoming an integral part of the digital world. And that's just true. There are a lot of challenges that AI has to overcome. In some retrospects, some people want certain things, like me. I do voice acting on the side, so for me, I don't want AI to get better in that way. It's going to happen though, and these guys are certainly pushing forward AI in other aspects where, as you can see here, hardware infrastructure, data, their AI models, AI model training and tuning is a challenging process that demands computational resources and time. deployment and integration, custom AI solutions. While we've seen a steep increase in ready-to-use AI solutions, most of them are limited to generating text, images, voices, and some calculations. Moreover, the majority of them are built on a single company's private infrastructure and are highly dependent on the policies, pricing, operations, and practices of that single provider. This is not a reliable strategy for the majority of corporations that need custom solutions on a reliable infrastructure. And Neurochain AI, they are setting out to solve some of the biggest computational problems that AI comes across, as well as the ability to deploy on a scalable level and maintain security with, and can have an ongoing performance maintenance challenge for these different things. So yeah, that's basically what they're doing. There's a lot of work within the AI sector. And so let's kind of take a look at the different things that they have going on. We're going to take a look here on their main page. You can see NCN, that is their token. I am connected through my Meta wallet right now. So, but yeah, so you can connect your Meta wallet, you can invite friends, you can join on the airdrop campaign on Galx and mint tier 0 NFT, which is a task that is available. They have a bunch of tasks available, so we might do that here in a minute. But first, we're going to look at the GPU mining. As you can see here, you connect your MetaMask and you connect and sign that you wish to do it. But if you look here, you can actually see the different Windows update NVIDIA driver, system reboot, install CUDA for Windows, another system reboot. So these are the setup instructions for all of these different drivers. I haven't done it yet, but this is the Windows one. You have Linux as well as Mac. Actually, they do not currently have Mac. So if you're Mac, you are out of luck on this one. But you do have Linux, Windows, and also a mobile one, which looks like it is pretty easy. Currently, there's a wait list, so you would be able to jump in to that. Early access has been launched for chosen early testers from the wait list. So you can actually still sign up for the mobile wait list for a chance to be an early adapter and get $50 in their token NCN for doing so. As you can see, they also have tasks to participate in. You can see some of them here. Between completing tasks, there are other ways that you can also earn neuro points, including engaging with the community. You can earn points and exchange them for rewards such as NFTs and whitelist access, where in order to find out more about that, you'll have to check out their Discord, which we will leave linked in the description. There's also tier 5 NFTs that you can buy on OpenSea for a special airdrop of, I believe it's 1,500,000 NCN. The Galx campaign is another one where I actually have that one pulled up. Here you can collect neuro points, mint tier 0 NFTs for free, and boost your chances to get tier 1 NFTs with airdrops. And here you can say I just came into mint NFT from that main page and clicked on here. I minted an NFT, so that's already minting of a tier 0 NFT right here from the main page. Like I said, it's a one-time thing that you can do. So but yeah, between these you can earn these different levels of NFTs, the different points, all right here from the main page, but also through some of those other methods that I mentioned. But I also thought it would be cool to go ahead and create a dGen profile picture. They do a Neuro PFP, so I'm actually going to do that real quick. Sadly, it looks like it's not working for me. I don't know. It's probably something on my end that I am doing incorrectly, but not a big deal. But for you guys, if you wanted to, you could absolutely go into the this and drag and drop and upload a photo that you want their AI to generate a degen avatar for, and then you could upload your avatar as your profile picture. So that's a pretty cool thing that you can do. And one last thing before we go, I want to mention that their TGE and node staking is taking place on August 9th. And in order to participate in it, users will have to obtain 12,000 NCN and then transfer those NCNs into your wallet, which is going to be used for NFT stake. The coins in the smart contract are available on Neurochain AI network, and node stakers will receive an NFT key. NFTs will then be used to identify neuron nodes as light validators on the network, which will then kick in the rewarding process. Only 10,000 nodes are available on an FCFS basis opening on TGE. Neuron mode NFT holders will be sharing a 180 million NCN rewards pool that's going to be vested each day over 12 months. When all is said and done, this method of launching is aiming to be fair and will bolster the community and trust within Neurochain AI. And, it's aiming to eliminate centralized control and, more importantly, connect node staking to the NCN launch, which will set their success in stone, or at least that's what they feel, eliminating the risk of more erratic sell-offs and ensuring longevity for the entire concept as a whole. So that's just one thing I wanted to add on to the end there, but that's all I have time for today. A lot of information, I know, but be sure to check out those different ways to earn and hopefully to get access to that NFT staking so you can start earning rewards. If that is something you would like to do, we will have links in the description for you. But that's all I have for today. So take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.